show you a couple ways that you can look at your bottom circulated titles under reports. So the first one you can do is really simple, is just show your top or bottom titles. You can go in and you can show the bottom titles, you can show up to 50, and you can specify what time range you want to use. I don't love this one because it only allows you to show 50, and for me those 50 are almost always going to be maybe new books that just haven't had a chance to circulate yet. So I don't usually use that one. I use that more for the top titles. To show titles that actually haven't circulated and you can be a little bit more accurate about it, I like the collection statistics summary. Here, this one takes a while to load because it's actually analyzing your collection before it opens. But in this one, you can specify a lot more specifically what you want to look at. So this is showing my collection, and here I can say, show me maybe specific ranges. So let's say I just want to look at my fiction, for example. So I could say, look at all of them, or list just like a fiction. You can say when you want to see circulations from. So I could say I want to see them from, let's say, the last 5 school years. So let's see here. 14. Let's see. Well, this might not let me do past today, so we'll do. Okay, so you can say what number of circulations you want to do. So if you wanted to see ones that have never circulated, or let's say you want to see ones that have circulated less than, twice or less than 3 times, I'm going to just do one on mine. And then you can decide how you want to group them, and then I will just run, and again it's going to take a second because it's actually doing the work. But then this one is going to show me titles that have not circulated in that time period. Let's see. Let me see what else you can do with this report. Again, it takes a second because it's actually analyzing your collection before you are able to do things with it. Let's see here. This one is not as useful. Let's see here. I think under title and copy list, you can also do some really similar things. You can say you want to select by, and you can pick, however you want to select. You could show the titles that have all copies and include circulation statistics, and then only show copies that circulated, less than, let's say, 3 times. And again, you can pick when you want to look for, but you can't be as specific as you could have been under that other report. And then I like this because you could output as an Excel spreadsheet, and that allows you to do a lot more with the data. I'm just going to give this a second because it's probably going to take a while because I have such a large collection. Okay, so this is showing me how many times these have circulated, and I could go through here and filter and look at whatever I want to here. Okay, so that's what I would use in terms of circulation statistics.